What's up guys, your Biglee here. When it comes to arm training, especially your triceps, having a hanging, meaty triceps improves your look and grabs the attention. I'm gonna teach you one exercise that's gonna improve that tremendously. One arm triceps dumbbell extension. For this exercise, use a moderate weight dumbbell. We don't go very heavy on this because when you're doing one arm extension movement, you place a lot of load on the elbows. So we want to overload only the muscles and not the joints. So we use moderate weight dumbbell, take it all the way up. Bring the dumbbell behind your neck until you feel complete stretch of your triceps. Once you reach that point, bring the dumbbell back up and contract your triceps. Stretch, contract, stretch, contract, stretch and contract. And one important thing that you need to notice is position your upper arm in one stable position and don't let it move. When you arrest the momentum, the load is completely taken by your triceps. And commonly, a lot of people say that your hand has to be vertically up, but based on your structure and bone alignment, some people may not be able to hold it at this. Wherever your position allows you, make sure your upper arm is stable, you stretch your triceps and contract it back all the way up. That would be the perfect way to execute your triceps extension. And whenever you're doing your triceps routine, make sure you do not start with this exercise because it places too much load on your triceps. Maybe if you're training triceps after your chest workout or something, then you have enough blood in your elbows to start with this. But if it is an arm workout on its own, start with some kind of pressing movement and then navigate onto this. Until the next workout video, this is your Biglee, over and out.